Hey, welcome back to the Stay Home Artist channel. Today I'm going to show you the cable chain stitch. I'm starting with 4 strands in a size 5 embroidery needle. I come up at the bottom of my line and I'm going to bring my working thread around over top my needle, and then when I bring my needle through the fabric, I'm going to scoop up a little piece of the fabric when I come back up, and I'm going to leave my needle in the fabric just like this, and then I'm going to bring my working thread underneath the needle, creating another loop. I'm going to pull my needle through that loop, and there's our first link on the chain, and we'll continue that process by starting from the beginning. So I'm wrapping my working thread around my needle, sticking it through the fabric and scooping up a little piece on their way back out, and then wrapping my working thread underneath to create a new loop and pulling my thread through that loop. To end this stitch, you're going to bring your needle over top the last loop you created and bring it down through the fabric and tie a knot on the back side. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day.